Hello students, myself Dipendra Gupta from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today I am going to explain miscellaneous exercise of class 8, chapter 3, linear equation. So first question is given that 2x by 3 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 5x by 12. You have to solve this equation. Got it? You have to solve this equation. So first you have to regroup of like terms. In one side and other side will be constant term. So here 2x by 3 and 5x by 12. So transpose this 5x by 12 to the left side. 2x by 3 minus 5x by 12. And 1 by 6 transpose to the right side, then this will become minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6. Take LCM. The LCM of this denominator of both fraction, that is 3 and 12, that is 12. If you divide 3 to 12, then we get 4. Then this will become 4 into 2x minus 12 divided by 12. We get 1 into 5x is equal to minus 1 by 6. Here 4 to the 8x minus 5x upon 12 is equal to minus 1 by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. 6 divided by 12 we get 2. 8x minus 5x, that is 3x by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 1. Cross multiply to each other, then we get 3x is equal to minus 2. Then x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So that is your final answer. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. Got it? So pause the video and note it down. Now, next question is (0.23) x plus 0.44 is equal to 0.1 in bracket x plus 2 minus 0.37x. So in this question you have to find out the value of x. It means you have to solve this equation. First 0.23x plus 0.44 multiply 0.1 multiplied by x, then we get 0.1x. 0.1 into 2, it means 0.2. Here minus 0.37x. Now 0.23x plus 0.44, 0.1x and 0.37x. 0.1 can be written as 0.10 x, and here 0.37. If you subtract this, then you get 0.37 minus 0.27 minus 0.27x, and here plus 0.2. Now regroup the like terms, that is 0.23x. If you transpose this term to the left side, then sign will be positive. It means 0.27x. Here 0.2 as it is, transpose 0.44 to the right side, 0.44. If you add 0.23 and 0.27, we get 0.5x. And here if you subtract this 0.44, 0.20, it means minus 0.24. Now x is equal to minus 0.24 upon 0.5. Multiplied by 100 to both numerator and denominator, then we get minus 24 upon 50. Got it? So let me check this answer. Answer is right or wrong? Miscellaneous exercise. Question number 2, 0.48. Minus 24 by 5 into 10. If you divide by 5 to 24, we get minus 4.8 upon 10. So that is your final answer. 50 can be written as 5 into 10. If you divide 24 by 5, then we get 4.8, and denominator 10 is remain. Then divide 4.8 by 10, then we get 0.48. That is your final answer. Pause the video and note it down. Now next question is 0.5x plus 2 in bracket x minus 2 is equal to 4. You have to solve these equations. So here 0.5x can be written as same as, now 2 multiplied by x we get 2x, and plus 2 multiplied by minus 2 we get minus 4 is equal to 4. If you add 0.5x plus 2x, both are like terms, that's why they are added, and we get 2.5x, and minus 4 transpose it to the right side, then this will become 4 plus 4. 2.5x is equal to 8, then x is equal to 8 by 2.5. Now remove this decimal part. For removing decimal part, you have to multiply by 10 on both numerator and denominator. Then this will become 80 upon this will become 25. Now both are divisible by 5. 5 into 5, 5 6 are 30, 5. It means 16 by 5. Now divide 5 3 are 15, carry 1, 5 2 are 10. The value of x will be 3.2. Got it? So after solving this equation, we get the value of x, that is 3.2. Now next question, 2 by 3 in bracket 1 by 5 minus x by 2 is equal to minus 23 by 15. You have to solve this equation. First multiply 2 by 3 by 1 by 5, 2 by 3 into 1 by 5 minus 2 by 3 into x by 2 is equal to minus 23 by 15. This will become 2 by 15 minus 2 cancel out, then x by 3 is equal to minus 23 by 15. Now transpose x by 3 to the right side is equal to, and 23 by 15 transpose to left side, then this will become plus 23 by 15. Now x by 3 is equal to, denominator is same, then 2 plus 23 by 15, that is 25 by 15. 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15. It means x by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. 3 cancel out, then x is equal to 3. So final answer is x is equal to 3. After solving this equation, we get the value of x is 3. X is equal to 3. Pause the video and note it down. Next question is x plus 1 plus 3 in bracket x minus 1 is equal to 2x is equal to 2x. You have to solve this equation. First x plus 1, 3 multiplied by x, that is 3x, 3 multiplied by minus 1, we get minus 3, 2x. Collect the like terms, that is x plus 3x and 1 minus 3 is equal to 2x. Now 3x plus x, that is 4x, minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 is equal to 2x. Transpose 2x to the left side and minus 2 to the right side, we get 4x minus 2x and minus 2. After transposing minus 2 to the right side, then this will become plus 2. It means 2x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2 by 2, then x is equal to 1. Here is the final answer. The value of x will be 1. Pause the video and note it down. Question number 8. Minus 7 in bracket x minus 6 minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 3 in bracket x plus 5 minus 2x. You have to solve this equation. Simply multiply minus 7 by x and minus 7 into minus 6. Minus 7 into x, that is minus 7x. Minus 7 into minus 6, that is plus 42. Minus 3x minus 3. 3 into x, that is 3x, 3 into 5, 15. And here minus 2x as it is. Now minus 7x minus 3x. After adding minus 7x minus 3x, we get minus 10x. 42 and minus 3, we get plus 39. Here 3x minus 2x, that is x plus 15. Now 10x transpose minus 10x to the right side, then we get 10x plus x, and 15 transpose 15 to the left side, that is 39 minus 15. We get 11x is equal to 14, carry 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. X is equal to 54 by 11. Let me check this answer. Answer is right or wrong. Miscellaneous exercise of chapter 3. Question number 8. Question number 8. 24 by 11. 24 by 11. Answer is wrong. So let me check it right now. Minus 7x plus 42 minus 3x minus 3, 3x plus 3 5 are 15 minus 2x minus 7x minus 3x minus 10x 42 minus 3 39, right? 3x minus 2x, x plus 15, x transpose 10x, that is 11x, and 39 minus 15. Oh, we have to subtract this. Subtract 15 from 39, not adding. It is a subtraction. 9 minus 5, that is 4, and 3 minus 1, that is 2. So this is your final answer. 24 by 11. Pause the video and note it down. Thank you so much for watching this video.